Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add a custom CSS in ClickFunnels website. Let me scroll down, click on edit page. Now if you want to add the custom code in any of the element, then simply you need to go here, then click on settings, then here you can see this one, get CSS info. This one is the ID. I can copy it, then here I can search for ChatGPT, write code to make this heading gradient multicolor. This is heading ID. Now let me scroll down. This one is the code that I can copy. Then open this one, custom CSS. Scroll down. Now I need to add the code here. Let me scroll up. Here you can see code is working fine.